I have always been a studious student. I have always been that student in the class who tends to secure a specific or a first position in the class. I have always been the brightest student throughout my throughout my schooling journey. I would believe that in order to get my dream job, all I need is a better degree. So, as expected, what I did, I left no stone unturned in being the best version of myself in terms of academic. I would spend hours, I would spend most of my time studying, doing anything, just believing that all these efforts will lead me ultimately to secure my dream job. However, it did not end well. So in this video, I am going to give you a life lesson. If you are between the age of 18 to 22 or even 25, this is a life lesson that you must need, that you do need at this moment. Because at your age, when I was pursuing my graduation, I had no one who could suggest me with this valuable this valuable and thought provoking life lesson. I am Shaheen, I am a copywriter by profession. So, without doing any further ado, let's dive right into the video. You see, if you are someone who thinks or who genuinely believes that a specific degree, is it is the key, or it is the straightforward way to getting your dream job, you are wrong. Because India is one of the most populated country, and for every job there are multiple, or I would rather say numerous candidates to get that job, to get hired in that specific company, to secure their dream job, which makes it very challenging for every individual to make themselves stand out, to make themselves be look highlighted and stand out amidst the crowd. And if you are someone who holds nothing but a specific degree, your school degree, your graduation degree in your resume, you are going to become replaceable. You are going to be replaced very soon. Why? Because you take a moment and think. There is for an interview, for a specific job, there is a candidate who merely has a specific degree, even though that person might have experience, but besides this, that person has nothing to showcase, nothing to demonstrate in its resume or in its curriculum vitae. On the other hand, there is a person who, apart from having its degree, also possess some lucrative, some high demanding skills, such as strong and concrete communicational skills, computer skills, how to navigate a computer, and various lucrative skills. Who will get hired first? The one who merely has degrees in his resume, or the one who also has some high demanding, better communicational and computer skill in its resume? Of course, the second one. Why? Because apart from just having a degree, you are also supposed to have something unique to demonstrate in your resume, which will give your interviewer, your employer, a reason to hire you. And this is not only something that will get you your dream job, but acquiring a skill will also give you financial freedom. It will also allow you to uplift your financial well-being and become financially independent at a very young age. When I was pursuing my graduation, when I was continuing my schooling, I had no idea. Unlike every typical individual, I was only focusing on my studies. Now that I have graduated since I graduated this year, I realized I started dabbling into various lucrative skills. I started dabbling into other skills for my self development, for personal development and self growth. And that is when I realized, had I acquired these skills early on during my school age, I would have been making I would have been making thousands in a month's time. So the objective, the idea or the premise of this video is not, it is not just to say that uh, don't acquire any degree, don't pursue any degree. Pursuing a degree is important, but because our country is highly populated, leading to increased competition for a specific job, it is necessary and integral for you than anything to acquire skills, because it will not only help you to set yourself apart from others, but it will also allow you to do side hustle and become financially independent. You don't know how much in today's time a video editor and a graphic designer and copywriter is paid, just through working for home, and just because of the skill that they have acquired over a certain period of time. And you think we spend 12 years, 15 years of our life pursuing getting that specific degree? Isn't it possible to spend a few months, 6 months to 1 year acquiring that specific skill that will give us financial freedom and make us become unique and irreplaceable? What you want to become is irreplaceable. So I hope that through this video you must have got the idea that if you are during this age, you must dedicate some time on acquiring some lucrative skill, because these skills are going to pay you a lot more. These are going to pay you a significant results in your future, and these are also going to play a pivotal role in determining your better future prospect. If you want any question, if you have any question, or if you want me to answer anything, then comment it down below. I'll be looking forward to answering your questions. Thanks for watching this video.